What changes has the Trump administration made to Air Force One, and why now? The upgrades reveal surprising shifts in presidential priorities and cutting-edge technology you never expected. The Trump administration pushed for major technology upgrades on Air Force One, focusing heavily on cybersecurity and communication. This includes new encrypted satellite links and defenses against electronic warfare. The goal was to ensure the president stays connected and secure anywhere in the world. These changes reflect growing global cyber threats and the need for a mobile command center in the sky. The Trump administration accelerated plans to replace the aging VC-25A planes with new Boeing 747-8 models. These new jets offer better fuel efficiency, longer range, and state-of-the-art avionics. This modernization aims to reduce operational costs while improving safety and reliability. The timing was driven by the increasing maintenance challenges of the old planes. Besides technology, the Trump administration focused on enhancing security and comfort inside Air Force One. This includes reinforced fuselage sections, updated missile defense systems, and redesigned interiors to support long missions. The goal was to create a safer, more functional environment for the president and staff, reflecting modern security demands and the need for in-flight productivity. The Trump administration's changes to Air Force One blend cutting-edge technology with strategic modernization to safeguard the president while boosting mission capability. These upgrades show how presidential air travel evolves with global threats and demands. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.